Hi, my name is Dain Harden. I'm a solutions partner here at Center for Personal Protection and Safety. I want to talk to you today about a gap that we constantly notice when we run active assailant tabletop exercises with organizations. And that is the lack of relationship that they have with local first responders, whether that's police, fire, or EMS. That is extremely critical when keeping a safe workplace and your employees safe. Many times organizations don't know where key locations are supposed to be for arriving first responders, where casualty collection points are, where media is going to stage, or where EMS is going to stage. Why is this important? It's important because when you have that relationship with the local first responders, it's going to lead to a faster response time. They know the layout of the building. They know the maps. They know where the exits are. Many times, maps can be uploaded into a computer system that the first responders have when they're responding to the scene. They can look at and figure out where they're going to go in a timely manner. It can also lead to improved communication. When you have that key contact communication, it reduces the confusion and it saves time. It's that critical communication that needs to be relayed is going to be relayed quicker than it would be if nobody knows who they're supposed to be contacting or when they're supposed to be contacting them. It can also enhance the culture of your organization. When employees know that you have a plan with local first responders, they know that you're working to keep them safe. It's going to lead to a safer workplace and happier employees. Some of the expert advice that the first responders can provide are where to put keys, the locations for those, whether it's Knox boxes outside, somebody meeting them at the front of the building, or whichever way they want to gain entry into those buildings. They're also going to be able to tell you where they want their EMS kits, what they want inside of them, and the designated exits. It's also going to help them form tactical plans, which are going to keep themselves safe as well as your employees safe. Where do you start at when you want to build that relationship with them? Reach out. Contact your local police, local fire, local EMS. Invite them on site. Introduce them to your team. They're going to provide those key insights on how to make a more defensible and safer workplace for everyone. Hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions or want to put your plan to the test, reach out to us here at CPPS.